everyone, welcome back to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel. My name is Shalini Mandal and I'm going to be your sugar makeup expert for today. So in this video I will show you 6 different eyeliner looks. So let's begin. For the first look I will be using I Told You So smudge proof eyeliner in the shade 01 Black Swan. It is a easy to apply eyeliner that gives you a gorgeous silky matte finish. It does not smudge, budge or peel. Following the natural shape of your upper lash line, draw the line from the inner corner of your eyes to the outer corner of your eyes. So this is a tip for all those beginners out there who are starting out with liquid liners. Draw small dots and join them together and that's it, liner is complete. So this is easy to create smooth eyeliner. This is great for daily wear. To notch this look one step further, I'm going to show you a simple hack. So if you ever mess up your wing eyeliner like the way I did here, don't worry, let the eyeliner dry completely and then take a Q-tip, use some makeup remover in it and then just draw or cut a sharp line. So this is the classic eyeliner look which I just created, adding a small wing to the smooth eyeliner look. For the next two looks, I will be using Arrested for Overstay waterproof eyeliner in the shade 01 Albi Black. This felt tip liner is true to its name. It won't come off until you take it off using a makeup remover or makeup wipe. This is 100% waterproof, so whether you are having a sweaty workout or dip in a sea, this will stay on. To create this liner, I will start from the center of my eyelid and draw a thick line to the outer corner of my eye, and I will connect the line to the inner corner. I will draw a very thin line there so that the eyeliner looks smooth. And to create the wing, what I did, just created a very small flick from the outer corner of my eyes and then I joined the triangle to the center of my eyelid and then I filled that in. That's it. So this was winged eyeliner for you all. A tip for using felt tip liner is that whenever you're drawing the line, make sure you're putting very light hand pressure to the liner so that you won't end up using more product. And when you're filling up the wing part of the liner, you can put heavy pressure to the hand and fill up the gaps. Now using the same felt tip liner, I will create reverse wing liner. To create this look, I will start from the center of my lower lash line and I will naturally follow the shape of my lower lash line and then I will connect the triangle and create a wing to the inner corner. And you can just fill up the gaps right there. And if you want to, you can also connect the inner corners to the center of your eyelids. And that's it. For the next eyeliner look, I will be using Gloss Boss 24-hour eyeliner in the shade 01 Back in Black. For all you gloss lovers out there, this eyeliner is easy to use and it dries instantly. This eyeliner delivers 100% opaque color in one single stroke. So as you can see, you can create a thick as well as a thin line with this eyeliner. The center focus of this eyeliner is on the eyelid. So first I have created a very small wing at the end. Then I connected the line to the inner corner of my eye and then I filled up the gaps. That's it. So this was the bold eyeliner look. This will look good in the night time and you can create this and apply any lipstick of your choice. So the tip to use this eyeliner is to never pull your eyelids because then it will create a gap and it will look very uneven. For the last look, I will be using I Want You So double matte eyeliner in the shade 01 Black Swan. This eyeliner has an ultra matte finish that lasts for 17 hours straight. To create this look, bring your wing to the end of the brows and then connect the wing to the center of the eyelid and draw the line and fill the gaps. That's it. So this is how feline look looks like. This usually looks good on people with hooded eyes. So when I'm looking straight into the camera, you can see the wing properly flicked and it really looks good. So Sugar is giving away few of the eyeliners. Please check the description box below for all the information and details. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.